In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add days to dates in Google Sheets. So for this example, we have the date here, which is the 1st of the 1st, 2019, and we want to add one day to this particular date. So all we need to do is select the date, and then what we're going to do is click on More Formats, and then we're going to click on Number, and then we're just going to remove the decimal places. And in the cell that we want the new date to appear with +1 day, we're going to type equals sum, open brackets. We're going to click on the date, and then we're going to type +1 and then click enter. And then all we're going to do is revert the first date back to a date format. So now we've added one day to the date.